PreForm 3.45 is here. We have exciting new features and updates for both our SLA and our SLS customers. My name is Hassan and I'm the product manager for PreForm. Let's get started. If you're printing on the Form 4 or the Form 4L, you're probably looking to make the most of the blazing speeds that these printers offer. And now PreForm is going to help you. As you set up a job in PreForm, you'll notice a new live estimate of the print time. This is going to help you take better decisions when you're orienting, supporting, or manipulating a model. Once you're done, you can click on this icon here and PreForm will give you a more accurate time estimate. We've also made a significant improvement to the layout tool for SLA. You can now pack up to 25% more of a build platform with no additional effort. Let me show you how. So on the left here, I have an earlier version of PreForm, and as you can see, I was able to pack 21 models into this build platform. In PreForm 3.45, I'm now able to pack up to 27 models with no additional effort. To use it is exactly the same as before. Go into the layout flyout and hit the layout all button. PreForm will take a few seconds, calculate the best layout, and do that for you. For our SLS customers, we've now added a setting to give you precise control over the packing algorithm. If you come into the pack tool here, you will now see a new setting called distance to wall. At this time, you can see PreForm has packed this model all the way to the edges of the build chamber. But if I specify a distance to wall, let's say 10 millimeters, and I pack again, you can see PreForm has created that 10 millimeter offset from the walls. You can use this to customize exactly how your builds are packed.
Our SLS customers are using the print voting feature on Formlabs dashboard to keep a track of the materials and settings that are giving them the best yield, which is why we're now bringing the voting center straight into PreForm. When a print is complete, you'll see a blue icon here indicating that it is available to vote on. You can click through it and see all your prior prints. Or if you're part of a printer group, you can see all the prints that have been carried out in that printer group. You can click on a print to see its details. And then you can click up to upvote it to indicate that it was successful. Or you can click down to indicate that it was not successful. If you click down, PreForm will ask you for some more feedback and information. Clicking on this button here will open up a form, and we would love to learn from you why a print may have failed. Formlabs uses this information to improve both our print settings as well as our workflows.
And as always, please feel free to reach out and send us your feedback and feature requests. You can use the feedback button in PreForm and reach out directly to us. Until next time, thank you for watching.